Thread any needle in seconds with a coin. Before showing you this start tip, let's explore other easy ways to thread a needle. One method involves using your palm. Simply place the thread on your palm and rub the eye of the needle across it. The thread will slide through the eye, though this technique works best with larger needles. Another useful method involves a toothbrush. Lay the thread across the bristles, then place the needle on top and push gently. The thread will slip through the needle's eye, but like the palm method, it's not ideal for very small needle eyes. Now, let's get to the main tip, threading with a coin. Start by cutting a bristle from a broom using scissors. Fold the bristle in half and place it between two coins. Secure the coins together with adhesive tape, ensuring the bristle stays in place. Trim any excess bristle sticking out from the sides of the coins. Your DIY needle threader is now ready to use. Insert the bristle into the eye of the needle, loop the thread through the bristle, and gently pull the needle out. The thread will pass through the eye effortlessly, even for the smallest needles.